Hello, welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to talk about discovery. But what is discovery? Discovery provides a set of tools to simplify monitoring through wizards. Its main goal is to make the use of Pandora FMS easier by focusing on the discovery of your devices. These assistants include scanning different applications such as SQL or Oracle from cloud platforms such as AWS or Azure, or the possibility of configuring console tasks. Where can we find discovery? Go to Pandora FMS console and you will find it directly in the side menu. If you click on it, it will show a sub-menu with different options that we will briefly explain now. The first feature is applications, and this is an enterprise feature. It is used to monitor different applications such as SQL or Oracle, from which you can obtain the databases of your environment, execute custom queries, etc. You may also monitor VMware environments, from where you can obtain metrics, running virtual machines, disk usage, network rate, and other data. The last option you can find is Sap Monitoring, which needs a separate license to use it. As an example, we're going to create an Sql Monitoring Task. Once there, define the name of the task, the server that will execute it, the group, the server that you want to monitor, the port, and the user and password of said server. In the second part of the task configuration, you can select the name of the agent that will contain the data retrieved from the server. If you want it to contain a prefix, or if, for example, you want to execute a custom query. After executing the task, the agent view would be as we see on screen, showing information in the modules such as the size of the database, or if it has a connection, or if, for example, MySQL has been restarted. The second feature is Cloud, and this is an enterprise feature too. This section allows you to monitor the main cloud providers such as Amazon or Azure, and allows you to control at all times the instances that you have deployed, their cost, or the regions where you're working. For example, let's create an AWS task. Go to Discovery Cloud, AWS Credentials. And at this point, check your Amazon credentials that you previously had to enter in Profiles, Agent Group Configuration, Credential Store. Once inside, you can already choose the cost and if you want all the available regions. In the following screens, you can choose, for example, if you want to monitor the instances belonging to the regions or the disk usage. In the AWS agent created by the task, you may see if you have any instances activated or the total cost of your queries. You may also access the following view, where the location of the instances will be shown on a map. Those that are active will appear marked, and in case of being inactive, in gray. Another feature is Console Task. This section is used to configure console tasks, such as configuring backups, sending reports by email, or the possibility of running your own custom scripts for advanced users. In this case, we're going to schedule a backup of our environment. To do it, go to Discovery, New Console Task. Select the option Backup Pandora FMS Database in the drop-down menu and configure it to your liking, such as, for example, indicating the periodicity of said task or the path where the backup will be saved. Hosts and devices. This section is for detecting and monitoring devices. In this section, you will find several points. First, network scan. It is used to detect and monitor the environments that belong to a network. You can, for example, scan it through the subnet 10.10.10.0/24 or by uploading a CSV file containing the networks that you want to monitor. To the hosts that you're going to scan, you can add different options, such as WMI or SNMP queries, as well as the possibility of creating all the devices found or only monitoring those that are up and alive. Import CSV. You can upload a file in CSV format to monitor a network. Agent deployment. It is used for agent massive deployment, as well as updating both in Windows and Linux environments. Use the SSH protocol for Linux environments like RPC on Windows. It is an enterprise feature too. Custom network scan and manage scan scripts. With these options, you can execute custom scripts to, for example, monitor a network. This possibility is recommended for advanced users who have already been familiar with Pandora FMS for a while. And this was all for Pandora FMS Discovery, a great control panel to be able to control all your environment from databases to cloud computing. With this tutorial, we have briefly reviewed the options offered by this set of tools called Discovery. But do not worry, the next few weeks we will upload more detailed videos of each of the alternatives explained today. We hope you liked the video, and please, if you did, click like, subscribe, and remember that you can get a free trial by contacting us. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video. Bye!